Tracking your freelance income without hiring an accountant is easier than you think, and today I'm going to show you how to do it efficiently. You don't need expensive software or complicated tools to stay organized. All you need is a simple method to track your income and expenses. And yes, I've tested some of the most popular tools out there, and at the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how you can get an exclusive free trial to the software I recommend. First, let's talk about the basics. You need a simple system to track every single payment you receive. Whether you're getting paid via PayPal, bank transfer, or other platforms, make sure to track every incoming payment in real time. This helps you avoid that last-minute scramble at tax time and gives you a clear picture of your earnings as you go. Start by creating a simple spreadsheet. It doesn't need to be fancy, just a basic table where you can enter each payment's details, create columns for the date, client name, project description, payment method, and the amount. By doing this consistently, you'll have an easy-to-navigate record of your income that you can always refer back to. Next, let's talk about expenses. As a freelancer, you'll have various business-related expenses that can be deducted when tax season comes around. This includes things like software subscriptions, office supplies, and travel costs. The key here is to also track these expenses in the same spreadsheet or a separate one, but make sure it's categorized properly. By keeping an ongoing record, you can ensure you're deducting everything you're entitled to come tax time without needing an accountant. Now, for the most effective way to track this income and expenses over time, let's talk about automation. While spreadsheets work fine, there are software tools out there that can make the process much easier. This software can automatically import your income from platforms like PayPal and Stripe, and it can also categorize expenses, saving you a ton of time. I've tried quite a few of the top apps for freelancers, and I'm going to recommend one that's both simple and effective. This software is going to allow you to sync your accounts, create invoices, track your profits and losses, and it's really easy to use. I've partnered with them to offer an exclusive free trial to viewers of this channel, so make sure to check the description below for that link. This software will do most of the heavy lifting for you, so you don't have to spend hours updating your records manually. Here's the key takeaway. Tracking your freelance income doesn't need to be complicated, and you don't need to hire an accountant. You just need a simple system, whether it's a basic spreadsheet or the right software. With a clear record of your income and expenses, you'll be able to handle tax season with ease and keep your business running smoothly. Let's quickly review. Start by tracking your income in a spreadsheet, keep a record of your business expenses, and consider using the software I mentioned to automate the process and save time. Don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial in the description so you can follow along and streamline your tracking process. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tips on freelancing and business management.